Hey guys, this video is not only the walkthrough of Corridor but also an representation of IDOR vulnerability. So let's begin. So here I'm just copying the IP address here, target IP address, and I'm just opening a new terminal. So you can also check the ping scan to make it working if you are getting ping request reply. So yeah, you can just ping it to make it work or not, like checking, right? So yeah, when I paste these in the browser, I was able to see multiple doors, and here when I click here I was able to see something here. So here when we read the contents, it's about IDOR vulnerability and examine the URL endpoints. You just need to examine it, and it looks like an hash. So basically the URL endpoints is basically an hash functions, and we just need to uncover the locations that you were not expected to access to find the flags. So and you do have hints here, like it is saying that where do those doors take you. The numbers and letters seems to be follow a pattern. So here I was able to see a hash here. So how can I analyze which type of hash it is? Like I'm just visiting the cyberchef website. In this website I am going to analyze the hash by pasting it here and using the analyze hash recipe here, and I was able to see it seems to be MD5 hash. So to crack this hash, I am going to use a website here called CrackStation, which seems to be a pretty good website. So let's try first in this website. So I'm just copying the hash and crack hash, and it seems to be the result is 1. Okay, so this result is 1. So what is happening here, like when I move here in the door, I was able to see a hash in here, it's ending with a 9b. When I move here, I was able to see another hash which ends with a 2c. When I move to the third door, I'm not able to see anything, but yeah, I am able to see yeah, it's about ending with F3. So every door here has an hash, right? So every door is having an hash. So let's have a look on one of the hash here. So let's click one of the door here. So and let's have a look at the end door hash in the crack station to see what it is. So basically when I click here, it's 6. The hash is 6. So basically I think it may be like 1 2 3 4 5 6th one. It may be the 7th one. So let's try this. So yeah, let's try this, copy and paste it in the crack station, and here I am just clicking crack hashes, and it seems to be pretty great. It's 7. So what should be the value in the DOS in the right? It should be 8 or any other value. So let's try this in the crack station website here. Okay, so here you can see it seems to be 13. So maybe the 8 will be from here. So yeah, let's try this and paste here, and it seems to be 8, I think. So I was right. So there is about 13 doors, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here 8 9 10 11 12 13. So this is the concept that I found from here. So you just need to find something that is not here. So we can create an hash using the cyberchef website. You can create your own hash. Like I am just going to create an MD5 hash which seems to be 14. I'm just entering 14, and this is the output that I get in the 14 of the hash value. So when I enter here, it's saying that it's not found. So there is 13 doors here, and we were able to access 13 doors, and the basic aim of us to access something that is you are not authorized to access. So basically you are authorized to access all of these doors, and you'll be able to access it either. So anyways, our basic aim in this room is to access something that is you are not intended to access. So there is 14 here, there is a 13 room, and I just tried to access the 14th room, and I was not able to find anything. So I'm just entering 15 in the input of here. So here I just enter 15 and generated the 15th hash, and checking that hash here. So when I enter I was able to see it's not found. So basically there is 13 doors, and we were try to access the 14th door, we were not able to find that, and try to access the 15th door, we were not able to find that. So what is the answer? What is the secret door inside it? So basically 13 doors and 14, 15 is not working. So what is the number that you missed? Yes, it's 0. So yeah, it starts from the 1, right? So and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. to 13, and we are not able to see anything from 14 or 15, but there is a number that we missed, which is here is 0. So yeah, I just generated the zeros md5 hash, and here I'm just putting a slash and entering the 0 here, and boom guys, this is how you find this flag. And this is an example of IDOR vulnerability, insecure direct object reference vulnerability, and this is something that you are not intended to access. So we were able to access because of the IDOR vulnerability. Basically there is 13 doors, and you are only accessible to 13 doors. Because of this website is vulnerable to IDOR vulnerability, we were able to access an hidden door. So that's how you find the flag. This seems to be pretty good, right? So yeah, that's all about the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one.